Hi, wonderfully wise whiz kids. It's Miss Woods here. And today we are talking more about unit fractions. All right, so we're going to be decomposing fractions into unit fractions or a sum of unit fractions. So let's review. In the fraction 6/8, what is a numerator and what does it show you? Well, the numerator in 6/8, the numerator is the 6, and it shows you the number of pieces being counted. So how many pieces do we have that we are counting in 6/8? We have 6. Let's look at the model here. Here's 1/8. Plus 1/8. Because each of these are 1/8 or one part of the whole. So we're going to first label our unit fractions. All right, now that we've labeled our unit fractions, I have one piece, size 8. I have another piece, one piece, size 8. I have another 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 one piece, size 8. How many pieces are modeled that I have size 8? How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. What are their size? 8. So that is 6/8. So the numerator is the number of pieces being counted. Now the denominator is the total equal parts in the whole. So how many total pieces do I have? I have a total of 8 total pieces that's in the whole. So that is 8ths. Very good. And that's the denominator. And the denominator goes down. So now we're going to write the fraction decomposed as a sum, which means to add. Sum means to add of unit fractions. And remember, a unit fraction is one piece of the whole. So it'll have a 1 in the numerator. So if I write it as a sum of unit fractions, it's 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, and 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 6/8. Now we're going to do the same thing and we're going to type it out, but we're also going to decompose it a different way, because you might see it a different way, but if the question asks you as a sum of unit fractions, sum means addition, unit fractions means each part must only be one part of the whole. So don't get tricked. That's how they're going to try to trick you. Okay, so my fraction 6/8, I'm put my fraction here, is 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8.
When composing or adding fractions, does the denominator change? 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals
plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces.
6 pieces sized 8ths. So no, the denominator does not change. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 6/8, or 6 pieces sized 8ths. The total equal parts in the whole, the denominator, did not change. Only the number of pieces that I'm counting changed. The numerator. I counted more pieces. The numerator.
Different way, I can do 3/8 plus 3/8, and that's going to equal 6/8. So see, I took 3/8 and I just called that 3/8. And then I took 3/8, and that still equals 6/8. Understand? Well, now you get to do this. Let's finish the last part. What does it mean to decompose a number? Because a fraction is a number. Well, decomposing means to break. Decomposing means to break the number down.
This is the end of part 1. What is 5/8 written as a sum of unit fractions? I want you to take a piece of paper and I want you to write 5/8 as a sum of unit fractions. Put equal at the end and then show me what the total is. Get the answer in part 2. Thanks for watching.